The Hitachi EX 5500 is a true monster. Everything around it seems insignificant in comparison to its massive size. Watching Mammoth Fort McMurray transport the EX 5500 feels like witnessing a giant slowly marching forward, evoking both awe and intimidation. With an operating weight of 522,000 kilograms and a bucket capacity of 29 cubic meters, the EX 5500 stands as one of the most powerful mining machines, engineered for the most demanding tasks. The transportation of a 350-ton transformer through treacherous roads, sharp bends, and steep inclines was an incredible feat. Under the precise control of the transport team and the power of the machinery, two X12 Nicholas M. Dell modules with beam bridges operated by Statnet Transport AS overcame every challenge, delivering an impressive journey.